I don't know. Go up and ask. Hi. Awesome.
It is. And guess what? I met you at the pool. What happened? I got to meet your teacher. Do you remember the other day? I'm Mrs. Sullivan. How are you doing, Mr. Matt? Do you like to go by Matt?
Hi, I'm Mrs. Clifton. It's nice to meet you. You're going to be in first grade? Perfect. You're going to be in my class. I'm
Hi.
Debbie Clifton.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Miss Clifton.
Yeah. Are you
It worked out that we both got to be here.
Well, I did not.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
So, my question to you is, what's your favorite thing you've done this summer?
My favorite thing I've done this summer is go to the pool and stuff.
You went to the pool down
She
here
gives
and
me
hung
a
out?
goodie bag.
Whoa, that's awesome.
So exciting. Who knew we'd be at the same house? Yes.
Are you going next door? Because that's where I'm headed next.
No.
Okay,
Going
we're
that
going that way.
direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
That gives me a good. My
You have a bunch of kids next door here.
Yeah.
over there, my friend Bella.
She is. How fun is that going to be? She is.
And do you know whose class she was in last year? Mine.
Whoa,
I was Bella's teacher
awesome.
last year.
I know she showed me all the pictures in her yearbook.
Did she? She had a great year. I'm going to give